the word need. To require something, need help, need assistance. I need a new laptop for my work. She needs help with the preparations for the event. The project needs assistance from a technical expert to express necessity or requirement, need to, need for, need to do. You need to finish the report by Friday. There is a growing need for sustainable energy solutions. We need to do more research before making a decision to express urgency or strong desire. Need badly, need desperately, need right away. I need this information badly for my presentation. He needs help desperately with his assignment. This document needs to be submitted right away to meet the deadline. To indicate lack or insufficiency. Need more, need less, need additional. They need more resources to complete the project. I need less sugar in my coffee. The team needs additional training to improve their skills. To express a situation of want, need a break, need a rest, need time. She needs a break after working nonstop for hours. He needs a rest to recover from the flu. They need more time to prepare for the presentation. To be required by circumstance. Need not, needn't, need not worry. You need not bring anything to the meeting. It's all provided. She needn't have come to the office today. Everything is fine. Don't need to worry about the project deadline. We are on track.